So using DroneDeploy, we're able to access information that otherwise we don't have access to. And having access to that information not only helps us provide predictability in our budgets, but predictability to our clients.
So DroneDeploy is a flight automation software. It's cloud-based, and it allows us to pre-program flights into that software. So it has really allowed us to get our quality of the photos and videos to where it's the same every single time, no matter who's flying it.
I just think everybody thinks it's really cool. I mean, that's the feedback that I get. I think it's like the suite or the family of technologies that we provide. You know, one thing that's a little bit different about us than maybe some of our competitors is just the level that we execute work. So if you are talking about the 4D schedule, if you're talking about demo production tracking, whatever those things are, when you've got a piece of technology that goes along with each piece of your process, I think it just solidifies you as that sophisticated builder that the client's looking for. And it's just another tool or another piece of that. And I think that's why it's powerful.